In a land where the mountains whispered secrets to those who dared to listen, there lived a falcon named Falconor. He was known for his keen eyes, swift wings, and wise mind. One day, Falconor noticed a small bird caught in a hunter's snare. He felt a surge of compassion and decided to help. But the snare was too tight, and he struggled mightily to free the bird. The other birds watched from a distance, each one wondering if Falconor could actually save the small bird. But Falconor persisted, his determination unwavering. Finally, with a mighty flap of his wings, Falconor managed to free the bird. The small bird, grateful for Falconor's help, flew away, singing a song of gratitude as it soared through the sky. Word of Falconor's deed spread throughout the land, and the other birds began to look up to him as a leader and a friend. They admired his courage, his kindness, and his unwavering determination. One day, a great storm swept through the land, and the birds were afraid. They sought refuge in the caves of the mountains, but many were too small and could not fit. Falconor, however, with his broad wings and strong heart, offered his shelter to the smallest birds. The storm raged on, and the mountains echoed with the cries of the frightened birds. But in Falconor's cave, the birds were safe, and Falconor reminded them of his earlier deed and the song of gratitude that the small bird had sung. The storm eventually passed, and the birds emerged from their hiding places. They thanked Falconor for his bravery and kindness, and from that day forward, Falconor was revered as the wise and compassionate leader of the skies. The moral of the story is that compassion, courage, and determination are the qualities that make a true leader. By helping others, we not only make the world a better place but also inspire others to do the same.